forget the term, we're going to leave it alone. But when you're dealing with 6/8 compound meters, thank you, that is any beyond the 2. If the beat isn't based on 2, divisible by 2, it's compound, okay? Little extra added music lesson there. But, you gotta forgive me. I'm doing these early just to try to get them out as quick as I can. Lost that train of thought, but anyway, continuing on. Good next step, and I'll back up. You're going to see a lot of videos about this. And this is, of course, for the absolute beginner or the pit guitarist who is picking up fingerstyle. A lot of what I do, because of different techniques, is accessible with pick. Much more than this would be. If you want to pick it with a pick, be my guest. Some things just won't work when you have to skip strings and what have you. Anyway, now, continuing on. This is an E minor chord, as we already said. Now, technically speaking, from every standpoint of music, even though you might argue differently, and I do, we're going to an A bass here. E minor with an A bass, E minor with a slightly out of tune bass, and thus is the beginning to Hiwayman, which is, if we don't have a dancer, that's the opening move, opening song to all the tales, wherever they may go. They may stay on my planet, they may come to Earth, you never know where they'll turn up. Anyway, yeah, because I have so much trouble making videos right now, guys, this is what you get, sorry. Now, one final thing about this, and I'm going to kind of segue, because the next video about this, you're going to find in the Collegium Magic. We're going to break down the magic of this little progression and what can be done with it with other guitars. Alright? Cheap guitar, slightly warped neck, but it is what it is. Have a great day, folks. See you later. It's a good thing to do with the guitar at the end of the song to show off. Let's see if it's a take. You gotta get these things out. Alright, you can do your thing for a while, babe.
And I think it's
Actually, I should have this plugged up.